Huh?
It was walking. Oh, I knew that.
You really want to see it move, you bring Boomer over here. Move like crazy.
Knock it off!
Shh. I think it's videoing.
Oh.
Why? Where's Rumor?
Little puppies who can't hear.
Puppy.
Where's Rumor?
Shh. She's just over there by Grandpa.
Walking.
This is Easter morning. What's today? April 20th. Got the puppies out.
Watch out, Andrew, so they're making move them.
The girl and a curly boy, green boy. Beige, wavy girl. They're not going to do much. They just had pictures. Purple girl, red boy, 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 oh boy. Oh boy.
Yeah.
Lots of baby boys.
Keep going. Keep going. Look at that.
Eyes are open. They can't see too much yet.
Which one?
That little beige girl over here. Oh, watch
Beige
purple
girl
girls
at your
behind
feet
you.
there.
There's the wavy girl.
Wavy girl's over here.
Who's that?
That's the curly girl coming.
Oh.
Girl.
Yeah. Purple girl, she found the warm spot on the...
Uh-huh.
She knows where she
Watch
wants
out,
to be.
Andrew. This blue boy walking kind of good.
Uh-huh.
There's second there.
Blue boy.
And that's about the extent of what we do
Is it
this
Just
week.
a minute. It's a he. It's a blue boy.
They're gathering in a little pot.
You turn yellow boy around.
Look at them. Look at those two. They're
Yep.
moving all
They're going to
together.
pile and...
Hi there, Rue 2.1. Say, buddy. It's where your brothers and sisters.
They're about to go back to sleep.
Huh?